Hello, traders! Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for 4 years now. And what I do on my live streams, especially my YouTube page, I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action and also the latest price action, whereby I also give you trading opportunities that I personally am anticipating to take for the day. If that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Let's get into today's session. Also, if you guys are new, do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, as we do our live streams every single week from Monday to Friday, as much as possible. 'Cause sometimes I had to skip because of sometimes things come up, right? But other than that, we are very consistent. So if you guys enjoy those kind of things whereby you can really sit back and learn and understand from my point of view what I believe and what I think price action is telling me, so that you can actually use your own analysis in the markets and learn together with me every single day. Basically, you can treat this as a one-on-one class from Monday to Friday. If you like that, guys, you guys can consider subscribing to the channel. Subscribing is free. Also, giving that like button is free, but it will help me and my channel a lot. So I truly, truly appreciate that so much. Thank you, guys. If you guys give me that, please give me that. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, quite a few things happened yesterday. There's a lot of directional bias being changed. Okay, especially like for ADUSD, gold. I wish I didn't take my trading off. Okay, because I saw there was like uncertainty when price was at a certain price level. So I took off the buying opportunity, but I wish I didn't. Later, I will explain to you why. Let's start off with GBBUSD today. Because why? I am right now anticipating for a potential buying opportunity, but it doesn't really look that pretty as of now, to be honest. I was analyzing earlier today when the market was around this level. So, I mean, we still have some chances, but let's wait and see lah. I'm actually really anticipating for buying opportunity for GBP USD because I believe price wants to move up and take out these targets resting here. So those targets are basically 1.35444, nice number, and then 1.35753. So this is the two targets that I believe by this week, if price really respects this current level and moving towards the upside, this is the targets that it wants to take out. Okay, so you guys can just remember these targets and wait to see how price will really start to behave within this zone. Okay, let's wait and see. We still have time. Definitely, I think the opportunity may not happen today. It may happen tomorrow during Asia session, if anything. But of course, we will be able to understand and analyze the pre-structure of how the market is getting ready itself for potential buying opportunity today. Okay, depends. Let's see what happens. Since we started with Forex today, I'm actually just going to share with you guys some updates about Forex because the only potential opportunity I see as of now is GBP USD. Let me check Euro USD. I checked earlier. I didn't see anything for Euro USD. Okay, like there is one. Okay, there is one. This is the one here. Okay, hold on. So this is the potential trading opportunity, but we do have some room lah. We do have some room whereby we need to wait for price to come back inside this range and then also look into the smaller time frame for potential buying opportunity to move towards the upside. So same directional bias, probably to this key level range. So you guys can primarily focus on two lah, either GBP or Euro USD, depending on which comes first and which one is a lot more clearer. Right now, GBP USD is already inside of the zone, but of course not showing us the things that we would like to see yet. But that may change. Let's see after before my live stream finish, I will come back to GBP USD and then let's see what's happening. Okay. Moving on. Okay, I'll update gold first. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. I entered here, for buying opportunity. It even went almost to the second TP target. But again, I don't regret it, okay? Because when the moment price actually went here, okay, and then come to this level, I didn't like what I saw here. Okay, especially this powerful move down, right? I was seeing a lot more stronger bears, and bear footprints also came out within this London session, which I didn't really enjoy or didn't really like to see. Considering my stops were just here, so this was roughly my entering. Stops were just here. Okay, so I closed off here, taking out a little bit of profits, and then after that it went to the upside lah. So this is the thing about trading, it's not the market fault. To be honest, it's not even a trader's fault all the time lah. Okay, unless if really do mistake and then you go and analyze that and then you see you never follow your SOP, that's definitely our fault already. This one is I followed my SOP, but in terms of price action wise, I personally confused myself because in gold, the way how I trade, even though there is strong bears indicating here, okay, overall the picture, right, it never show a potential shift or want to move down. It didn't show that. I was analyzing today from one, I think about almost 1:30 all the way up to 7:30 today. I was just in this room just analyzing a lot of charts, a lot of pairings. I enjoyed it. I never forced myself to do it, I promise. I just enjoy backtesting and analyzing the markets. It's my, I don't know, I feel very comfortable with it lah. So yeah, I realized actually gold didn't tell me that he want to change a move towards the downside yet. Therefore, I should have held my position where we would have already went very close to the TP target. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I definitely believe we'll be going there. Maybe even higher. Who knows? Okay. But for this week, these two is my main targets, which I shared with you guys earlier lah. Okay. When the week started, which was roughly within here, I told you guys this was a main target. Consider gold already went there, so I won't be focusing on potential opportunities for gold lah for this week because consider over already right now. Okay. AUD USD. Okay. Yeah. AUD USD, another one. I actually went for buying opportunity here. This one I lost. I shared with you guys. I think yesterday I shared with you guys that results. Okay, but I lost because this was not an actual entry point because it's not according to the way how I trade personally lah. It's not the way how I trade. The way how I trade, there is a certain criteria which I kind of thought it happened, but only when I backtested I realized this is not what I was supposed to see. So therefore, I entered within London. Okay, it was going very well, but this was not my TP. My TP was within this level. Then it went all the way down, took me out, and then go to TP. This is not SL Hunt. For those that are wondering, okay, this is not SL Hunt. This is genuinely just incorrect entry point. That's it. Okay, the entry point was not supposed to be an entry point, but I read it wrongly at the time. Nevertheless, our bias, whereby we predicted AUDUSD to hit this target, it is hitting this target, and I believe it will hit this one and the ultimate target also by this week. I believe that. I truly believe that. I'm actually waiting for potential entry opportunity because I know I cannot aim for this target or this target, but this is the last goal for AUDUSD, the ultimate target here. If this gets hit without any potential entry opportunity, so be it. I will find another trading opportunity next week. Okay, so I just sharing that with you guys. USD CAD. Yesterday we predicted right that market potentially wants to move towards the upside. Guess what happened, guys? Look, suddenly at 10 o'clock, so powerful moves all the way down, really all the way down. There was an entry here, okay, but obviously price didn't come back to this range lah. You see, price just went all the way down. If it came back here, I'm sure we'll be entering a selling opportunity. The reason why I say surely I'll be entering is because based on other currency pairs, okay, that kind of correlate and inversely correlate, they made sense for this selling opportunity. That is why it's a very powerful move down also. But of course, I will only enter if it come inside the zone, which it didn't. So nevertheless, I just want to update you guys lah. It's actually moving down. If you ask me for potential targets, right, for USD CAD, we are very close by a potential target range already. So there is still chance, there is still opportunity. So if you ask me what is that opportunity, wait and see if market right will come back inside of this key level. So if market comes inside this key level and then we start to see powerful bears kicking, we can potentially aim for a selling opportunity because I believe market wants to move down even lower. But but I do not think this may be happening by this week because today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. So maybe Friday market will use the power to come inside of this range and create potential bearish momentum. So next week we can see the push down. This is what I think only. So let's just wait and see how the market will react. I don't have anything else much to share with you guys about the forex side. Just mainly to be focusing on potentially GBP USD, okay, and also Euro USD. It just depends on who respects which zone. If you can see, GBP USD is really crashing through this zone, so even this one is not valid. Is really going. If it goes below this zone, then this one is invalidated already. So primarily, you can be focusing on Euro USD since we never come back inside the zone yet. Okay, so this is what I get my eyes on now. So I'm actually focused on GBP and Euro USD. So let's see which one plays out first. That will be all from Forex side, guys. I want to share with you guys about crypto space. Dogecoin where yesterday I told you guys for a buying opportunity. It went to SL, it actually hit the SL. I entered this trading opportunity. So I entered here. We went all the way up. Okay, and then I was sleeping at this time, and then he came to hit the SL, and then he started to move. I re-enter again. So now again in profits lah. I already covered back the losses. So I'll be sharing that in my Instagram page with you guys also. Why I re-entered, right? Even though I told you guys do not simply re-enter the trade, it is because when the SL got hit, okay, based on what I saw, the market understanding and market bias did not change. Some similar to what I said, the gold. Remember I explained this now? Based on the way how I trade, okay, even though I saw strong bears moving here, okay, the overall picture, he never showed me indication that he want to move down yet. So therefore, I should have held my trade. Same thing happened for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin, even though this is SL Hunt, by the way, this is SL Hunt, liquidity hunting. So price came down all the way, even though it took me out. When I reanalyzed and checked, everything is still the same. The story it says is still the same. So that's why I re-entered this trade. Okay? But I wouldn't recommend you guys to just simply re-enter. Remember, I didn't simply re-enter. I reanalyzed everything again and understood, okay, what is going on. Okay? Anyways, so I already said BE and then I already covered back the losses yesterday one. So I'm just now waiting and see what price is going to do. All right. I have a similar potential opportunity I want to share with you guys also for Solana. Hi, teacher. Hello. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. But I'm not sure if we will get this opportunity or not because Solana doesn't seem like he want to come inside of the zone. Yeah, he don't. He doesn't seem like when it comes to the zone. He's more stronger moving towards the upside line. So Solana buyers also, I believe these two targets is the one that price wants to go and take out. I was actually waiting for price to come inside. Okay, I saw this red candle earlier when I was analyzing, but now you see we have a bullish candle, and then now we're starting to move up. Of course, we still have some time. If you see here, we have 26 minutes some more for this candle to close. But let's see how the candle closes. So it's very important. If price comes inside of the zone and then it's showing me potential signs of bulls, okay, then I guarantee you'll be entering for a buying opportunity. But it also depends because I'm already in a trade with Dogecoin. I usually don't like to enter more than one trades. I learned the hard way already. This one I kena kau already. Not cannot, can. Of course can, but there you have to have certain very strict criteria if you really want to enter in this sense. Not cannot, can. But I really don't believe Solana will be coming inside. I believe he will just be taking out these targets. If that happens, it is okay because my crypto space even can we can trade over the weekend. So we can definitely find a lot more targets and a lot more buyers that the trade may play out over the weekend as well. All right, especially Sundays because crypto very strong on Sundays. If you guys are interested also right to personally learn from me in how I do my analysis, how I share with you guys potential opportunities, and then how the market plays out in a certain way, all of this I actually have my own personal course whereby I go through with you guys 6 weeks and I teach you guys everything I know, whereby within 6 weeks time, everything that I speak about here, all of my trading entries, okay, how I find these bear footprints, bull footprints, everything. Also, you guys will be able to do the same thing just by looking at the charts. So I simplified it as much as I can to the point that a few students that learn from me are able to do it. So I guarantee you that you can do the same thing. But you, of course, you have to practice. You have to be dedicated and really have a passion for trading. Because to be honest, trading is just two color candles. Okay, whatever color you want. I changed it to this color, and then a black chart or white chart, depending which chart you like. That's it. That's trading, and you have to enjoy looking at this. I enjoy looking at this a lot, really a lot. It's not because like it excites me or anything. I just enjoy it. It just makes me calmer, which is a very weird thing to say because trading is very stressful. It is very stressful. But it is stressful in the sense that it is somewhat enjoyable if you have the passion for it. That's trading. In my personal opinion, yeah, in no way whatever I say is 100% correct because there are a lot more advanced people than me that has a lot more experience than me also. Definitely. Everything I share with you, how I think about trading, what I understand about it, is all based on my personal opinion and personal experience that I have. That is all I'm sharing with you guys. Okay? So, guys, guess what? Today is a very, very short live stream. We never did this in a long time, but we'll be ending the live stream here. I'm also very interested to see how the trades play out, especially I'm looking for entry opportunities. If you see right now, we are kind of rejecting for GBUSD, but definitely not something I would like to see lah, the way how it moves here. So let's see, still have time. Like I said, probably we might see the entry tomorrow, not today. Maybe I might be focusing more on Euro USD than GBP. Anyhow, also I'll update you guys on my Instagram story. So if you guys would like to stay up to date on that, you guys can consider following me. I do have my Instagram handle links in the description below. Also, if you're interested to find out more details about the course, you can send me an Instagram message through the link in the description below. I also have my WhatsApp link there if you would like to text me personally as well. Just to find out the cost, no worries, man. But if you do let me know you came from YouTube because I really so excited when I meet any of my subscribers, which I have the privilege to meet a few of you guys and speak for 3-4 hours, which is amazing. I hope I never take up too much of your time now. Okay, so guys, I think I'll end the live stream here. I wish you all such an amazing and a wonderful rest of the day. Don't know why my tongue twists already that one. And have an amazing dinner if you haven't already. I definitely haven't yet, so later I'll be going to have it, take my dinner. And I will catch you all in the very, very next live stream, which will be tomorrow. Okay, traders, stay safe. Oh, also another thing I want to give you guys a teaser. A brand new tutorial is going to be coming up on my channel. I know, I apologize. I haven't been posting any YouTube videos lately because I've been more focused on my live streams. Okay, but that's not an excuse. Definitely, I should be making videos so to give out to you guys so you can learn a lot more. So that's what is coming up next. Okay, I'm actually in the midst of editing it. Once it's done, I will share it with you guys on my YouTube page. So do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That video will be coming out soon. It's actually breaking down a very simple concept whereby if you understand the market is bullish, where is your entry? If you understand the market is bearish, where is your entry? Okay, very simple concept. Don't worry, I made it as simple as possible. That's the way how I teach. I like teaching in that sense. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Okay, I'll catch you all in the very next live stream, traders. Take care. Goodbye.